Got a 2017 to 2022 Ford F-250, F-350, or F-450 crew cab pickup with an 8-foot bed and a Power Stroke engine and need some more range for those long hauls? Check out Titan's Generation 6 direct fit extra capacity 65-gallon fuel tank. The Ford stock fuel tank comes in at 48 gallons. The Titan tank is 65 gallons. That's 17 gallons larger than stock. And with all of that extra fuel capacity, the Titan tank only hangs less than 2 inches below the bottom of the stock tank. The Titan fuel tank comes complete with black epoxy-coated galvanized steel mounting straps, plated and/or galvanized front support system, rollover safety vent valve, and all the accessories you need for a complete installation. Titan designs its fuel tanks to be a direct fit. That means they're installed with no drilling and no cutting. The Titan fuel tank is designed to use the truck stock original equipment fuel sending unit, saving you time and money from having to buy a replacement. The stock fuel sending unit is removed from the stock tank and mounted to the Titan tank. They are a direct fit, and there are no modifications needed. With use of the stock sending unit, the truck's analog fuel gauge will read correct and accurate with the Titan tank. The Titan fuel tank is made with their famous military-grade cross-linked polymer that's at least a 1/4 inch thick and built to outlast all competitors. Titan routinely tests all of their products using state-of-the-art computer simulation as well as actual physical drop tests. They actually drop these things onto a steel plate from 30 feet in the air. Titan's legendary products are so tough and well-proven that they're backed by an unconditional lifetime warranty, meaning they'll replace the tank if it's ever damaged, even in a car accident. For more information on this or any other of Titan's legendary products, visit www.titanfueltanks.com.